Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a full page scrolling screenshot in the Brave browser. You don't need any extension or software for this because it's a built-in feature. To take a screenshot in this one Brave browser, first open it and then navigate to the page you want to take a scrolling screenshot. After that, press Ctrl Shift and I on the keyboard. After that, press Ctrl Shift P. Now type a screenshot. Now in the drop down, click on this one option, capture full size screenshot. That's it. Brave will automatically download full page screenshot. Just name the file and set the location you want to save the screenshot, and then click on this one save option. Now you can view full page screenshot on your PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.